Alert Sanford units on that 1050. If one of you can come down to Persimmons and historic Goldsboro, westbound on Goldsboro. The vehicle looked like when he came up on you, he backed up about half the block, and now he's going away from you. And he did roll a stop sign. At Oleander and 18th, and he just made the right turn, blew the stop sign south on Oleander. Now at Country Club, blew the stop sign, left turn. He made a right turn on Garrison southbound, and he's at an address pulling in the driveway now. First house on the right on Garrison. He's parking around back. As soon as you make the right, make your first right, you'll see him. Driver's running out the back. I'm sticking with the driver. Back to the house, all the way back. He's jumping the fence. He's just on the other side of that fence in the backyard. Jump the fence to the next house. Okay. He's going to come out to Country Club. Country Club. Back of 102 Country Club Drive. And he's over in the back of 104 Country Club now. He's crawling around. Looks like he's going to try to hide here.
1514 on Country Club Circle.
In front of 104 Country Club Drive, he's in front of the driveway between two cars right at the front of him. Units are making 1025.
One 514, 235.